Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CRF 320SS, the 3.1 cubic foot Energy Star rated refrigerator freezer. Now, as you can see, this unit does have the refrigerator on the bottom and the freezer on top. Let's start with the refrigerator. Inside the door, it has a soda can dispenser. In fact, the door can even hold a 2-liter bottle of soda. It also has 2 shelves, one of which is adjustable, and a crisper drawer. The freezer is about 1 cubic foot and is a true 0-degree freezer. That means it gets all the way down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this unit is perfect for dorms, offices, any small space where you need a refrigerator. Finally, as you can see, the CRF 320SS has a black cabinet and true stainless steel doors. Speaking of the doors, they are totally reversible, which means you can change the orientation to whatever's more convenient for you. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CRF 320SS, the Energy Star rated 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. Pick one up today.
Enjoy better tasting, long-lasting wine by storing them at the perfect temperature. The NutriChef 18-bottle wine cooler ensures the longevity and readiness of your favorite wines by maintaining them in their ideal environment for whenever you want to enjoy them. With touchscreen temperature controls from 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit and a built-in circulation fan and ventilation grill, your white or red wine flavors will be preserved for years. Stainless steel horizontal storage rack cradle your bottles securely without damaging labels, while vertical storage is supported below. A reinforced glass door and integrated LED light make this cooler functional and attractive, freestanding or on a table or countertops. The ultra-quiet, no-vibration operation will never disturb at home or in the office. A button-activated child safety lock and airtight closure ensure your flavors are preserved securely and efficiently. For wine lovers, the NutriChef 18-bottle wine cooler is the ideal solution for ensuring the perfect glass at the perfect time for you.
Are you a serious wine collector? Do you have a lot of wine but nowhere to store them all? Search no further. The NewAir AWC 270E gets you the most flavor for your wine by making sure it's stored at the perfect temperature. This single-zone wine fridge houses 27 bottles. That's over 2 cases of your favorite wine. This NewAir customer says this is my second NewAir wine cooler and is a great addition to our newly upgraded kitchen. The electric thermostat offers a digital readout that enables you to monitor and maintain the internal temperature. And because this unit is a compressor cooling system, it is much more powerful, reaching temperatures as low as 39 degrees Fahrenheit and having dimensions as 33.3 by 17 by 18.5 inches. The NewAir AWC 270E is fitted with insulated glass, which helps preserve and maintain a consistent temperature. The blue LED light adds a cool glow to the display, making your wine collection stand out, and also comes equipped with a lock to keep out wine thieves. This NewAir customer says, I prefer the compressor model because I wanted to cool my wines down to the mid-40s. If you're a wine drinker, you need one of these. The black and stainless steel design looks great in any home, bar, or wine cellar. With room for 27 bottles, compressor cooling technology, insulated glass, and LED lighting, the NewAir AWC 270 will perform for you. Visit newair.com.
Our Whynter Energy Star freezer product line is the perfect solution for your frozen storage needs. Our freezers range from compact to full size, which will be sure to fit any space. This Whynter CUF210SS 2.1 cubic foot stainless steel upright freezer is relatively compact, the sleek stainless steel door finish and black cabinets that will never go out of style. With 6 thermostat settings and temperature range between -10 degrees Fahrenheit to -2 degrees Fahrenheit, this freezer will keep your items nice and frozen. Its efficiently organized 2.1 cubic foot interior volume can help you keep your frozen foods perfectly preserved. Inside of the cabinet is an open area with 2 removable flat slide-out wire shelves for easy access to your everyday items. The lock feature on this unit provides additional security for sensitive contents. As an Energy Star rated appliance, this upright freezer will help you keep your energy costs down while providing an efficient freezing solution.
Please Black Mini Refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.
Featuring a space-saving upright design that fits almost anywhere, the Whynter 95-quart portable freezer refrigerator is a cost-effective and mobile solution for your merchandising and critical freezing requirements. Its highly efficient compressor cooling system is easily powered by a standard AC 110-volt outlet or a DC 12-volt power source, such as a car battery. All Whynter portable freezer refrigerator units can be used as a true freezer or a refrigerator with temperature ranges between -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Optional wheels can be added to make it easy to move your freezer as needed, plus the wheels are easily locked when you need to keep the freezer in place. The extra large capacity and removable basket are sure to meet your storage needs. The unit is also equipped with an interior LED light which automatically illuminates when the door is open. It also comes with a warning light to help protect against a dead battery. Also, an open door alarm feature which sounds if the freezer door is left open for longer than 3 minutes. The tough and solid outer case makes them resistant to any jostling or bumps. The compressor of these freezers functions even when tilted 30 degrees. The Whynter FM 951GW 95-quart portable wheeled freezer truly is top of the line for ease of use, versatility, and overall freezing and cooling power.